Guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you the easiest way how you could delete, install, or remove an application in Windows computer. So if you have any version of Windows 7, 8, 10, 11 or even 12, then this video is for you. So first of all, to proceed, you will need to click on your search tab or press the Windows sign and look for settings or just type settings. Click on the settings tab to open. The next step will go to find a setting. You can type there apps or simply just click on the apps option if you have it. Otherwise, just type apps and find the settings. We'll need to wait until it's fully loaded. We are now in apps and features. So scroll down and check which application you would like to remove. So I will try to find one. Let's say I want to remove this one. I will click uninstall, uninstall, and this way I'm installing or deleting or so-called removing of the application. This operation should take a few seconds to up to 2 or 3 minutes and it should be completed. Once done, the application should disappear. So you might want to go back to refresh and come back. And here, as you can see, the application is gone. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.